Now let's add a new collection. So under products, click on collections and create collection. And here the page looks very similar to our product page, but there are fewer elements. So there's only collection title. You can add short description, but it's not necessary. And you can also add an image. So on the page with all the collections, those images will be visible. Once you add collection image, make sure to SEO optimize as well with an alt tag. So click edit and edit image alt text. Now you can add alt text. Obviously, it will be longer with your target keywords, and once you're ready, click save. Now, the collection type, I don't recommend using automate because it gives you less control. I recommend adding manually products because it will give you an opportunity to edit the layout of the products, the sequence of the products, which will give you more control of how the products actually display. So I don't recommend using automated selection of products for the collections. Now you can edit SEO. So click on edit website SEO and simply optimize it like you did with a product. So meta title, meta description, and URL if you wanted to make the URL shorter. Once ready, simply click save.